So Diddy had cameras all throughout his house, and he invited people to come over and do wild things, and he videotaped them without them knowing. And he kept those tapes. And he did this to have power over people, to guarantee their silence, to guarantee their cooperation. And he's doing this to control not just powerful people, but the people around him working close to him. At some point, he must have thought this was the smartest thing he ever came up with, but now it looks like the dumbest choice he ever made. He made tapes of himself committing crimes. When the government raided his homes, they took those tapes. People are saying, oh, Puff can use the tapes to get out of trouble. No. This is evidence against him. He created the evidence they're going to use against him. The tapes are going to make all of this way worse.
Go straight to the story. It's about the said Omoko discover 1,000 bottles of baby oil and will P-Diddy because P-Diddy I mean in the from time I see this dark side of Illuminati, Freemasonry, Tupac, and stories. Any P-Diddy say ja on their hits and a order. Now P-Diddy be involved here. I'm out for the crowd on the same level as Jay-Z. So far as music industry, you know, more pull the strings, no man for successful. I mean, black entrepreneur, you say, making waves.
Game has been elevated. As we can tell, there's no expense being spared.
So I'm sure a lot of you idolized him, right? And you idolize P-Diddy. But little did you know, say P-Diddy, the black version of Jeffrey Epstein. And then some media much. I'm sure Jeffrey, ne pa oja or prison because Jeffrey are trying to know. Jeffrey pa oja or prison, no. P-Diddy and the Kwako occupying that particular empire. Now, so that's why you put here, Nyame. And I bet you go back to the story. It's P-Diddy's story there. As I said from November 2023, Mokai Cassie and the Nikai sue P-Diddy. Cassie a P-Diddy long time partner. And then somebody not as at the time we sue no more exes. And it's all chat P-Diddy not fight it, team with not fire. Sometimes no P-Diddy back out because oh, and yeah Cassie cannot boa. Cassie like the others. And it's all muddy. Omo peska credia no matter that the no P-Diddy ko jina court. O timba no. Then the P-Diddy no. And then the man and the mabonte our more chele kakra. 16th na pakrano no was Central Park New York and that is on in crop 40 or more jijin from my old pictures of street so 16th na and omoko ni fie New York and omoko channel kona say ya arrested no more arrested no 17th and omudi P-Diddy ekojina court na court no esede court in krata no and that gossip 24 so in fact we indictment no na sued but somebody omebie so and to say the United States of America versus Sean Combs aka Puff Daddy aka P-Diddy aka Diddy aka P-Diddy aka Love onkwade P-Diddy cry Mr. Suspect say stand for baby so